Hello, my crafty friends. I am here to do another journal flip through. This one is a 9x6 with a cardstock cover, and I just did a little bit of layering right here. I used a little bit of the paper out of this little paper kit that I have here. I used some of these journaling cards and a few of the stickers, and I just really thought this paper was cute, so I just used a little bit of that. And this lady right here, I just fussy cut her out of Daphne's Diary paper, and I just sewed around the edges, sewed this little ticket on, did some vintage buttons right there, added a flower and some washi tape, sewed around the cover and put these since it's a cardstock cover, I just put these little corners on there so it will, protect the corners. Put some lace on the edge, and there is the back. And let's see if I can get the lighting to be a little better. So you can actually, I put this under here so that way hopefully my book doesn't slide all over the place, because it has been doing that. On the slippery desk, I guess. And I just did a seam binding closure, and I left them pretty long so you can cut these off and use them on top of tags if you like. And yeah, it's just one signature inside, and I just used a bunch of, again, random things, some out of that kit, and then just stuff off my desk, and a few vintage items. Here I just put one of the stickers there and made a pocket on the corner and added this cute little tag that I made and that one. And this one was gifted to me, but I sewed around the edge to give it a little texture and used that one. And I'm hoping this is gonna be okay with I'm standing up because I'm thinking that maybe I'll get some better light from the light up above, over there. I don't know if we will or not, but this first page is just a piece that I had laying right here of this, and I sewed this job card to it and put a little from the paper pack, and I stapled these on so they can be removed if you like. I love this one, and I just added that little ribbon to the top. Some vintage ledger paper. This is wallpaper that I had, and I sewed this ticket or this tag to it and put some trim on the bottom and a little tabby on the top and just made a little flip out of it. This was also gifted to me, and so I thought it was beautiful, so I added this little tag to it. And I don't know who gifted this to me, but I think I'm not quite sure. I can't remember, but I've held on to it for quite a while, so I thought I would now use it. And I just tucked that in. I think I had it this way, so that way, or this is the way I think I want it, so you can see the pretty on this side. I hope you guys can see in here this lighting. Well, you know me. If you watch any of my videos, you know my lighting is not good. Here's a little tag. It said Happy Valentine's Day, so I just put a little tab on there because I didn't want it to be actual Valentine's. And I just added this sticker out of the kit to this tag. Tucked her in there. And this is just some paper ribbon that I sewed some trim on. Coffee dyed paper, an old English page. And over here, I just sewed a little pocket. My goodness. And I have, this is Ephemera's Vintage Garden, I believe. And this is just a little cute little paper clip right here. I just added it just for looks, I guess. This is just a tag that I made right there. Some more vintage or coffee dyed paper and a vintage map page. Some fabric trim I did right there. And this was just a image out of a book that I had, and so I sewed it into a pocket. And here is one of the journaling cards. Oh gosh, it's even in the afternoon and I cannot speak today. Coffee dyed tag, ledger paper, little sticker there, coffee dyed doily, another one of those cute little paper clips right here. I just think they're so cute, little tabbies. And over here is another one of those journaling cards out of the kit. And here I just made like a little booklet out of some extra paper for writing on in here. This is the back and front. Stuck that in there. And this was also gifted to me, and so I just added some trim on the top and sewed around it. I think that's so cute. I thought I can't save everything for always, so I thought I would use some of those up. Some vintage music paper. It's really thick stuff too. It's nice. I like it. A snippet pocket here. And I think this is Artie Mays, I believe. And then a couple ATC cards out of that little cute kit. And this is a rub-on sticker. And I just think it's so cute. I saved that forever because, you know, I love bees. I don't love bees, but I love bee stamps and bee pictures and everything bee except for the live bees. I'm a weirdo. I don't like live bees. And here I just made out of an old mailing envelope. I just did a little waterfall effect there with those tickets, and then just added this to cover up the nonsense on the envelope, and just added that for journaling. And on this side I just added some washi, and here's another little booklet of graphed paper in here. I don't know, I think there's 4 or 5 pages in there. And here, this is from that little kit, and I just added this pretty little flower for texture. Some vintage ledger, page 95 and 96. And I actually put washi on the spine of this because I was afraid, since it's so old, that it might fall apart. And I just added some ruffle here, some random cardstock page, another one of those photos from that book, and a little Tim Holtz sentiment. And here is a printable ledger. Get it right, Paula, upside down. And over here is a stuffed pocket that I made and sewed all around it. I made this one so you can write on the back side, but I decided to glue it down anyway. So, and I added this little, they're all sewn around. Little button card. And another little piece of ephemera there. And, whoops, there's 2 of these in there. Guess I don't need both 2 of the same card. But this is Graphic 45 out of the Amar kit. I love the back of that. And then here is the middle of the signature, and I just added some Tsunami Rose right here out of her Big Elements flowers. And then this is just opens up. And then this is a couple little stamps that I got. I actually got them off of Amazon, but they came from China, and they don't want to come apart very easily. And that's just a little piece of cardstock with a sentiment on it. It says "Dance like nobody's watching." And yeah, these are supposed to be like stamp, you know, washi tape stamp. Washi tape. Oh my goodness, I can't even speak. But anyways, I was playing with this. Get this over here. And I can't get this to come off very well without ripping on the sides of it. And then once you get it off, messing with it for so long, then it takes all the sticky off the back. So you end up having to glue it on anyways. But they are super cute. See, it's already ripping right there. But Trina last night had a little brainstorm, and she's like, well, use your little heat tool and heat it up, and then maybe it will come off a little better, and it actually does come off better. But it's work trying to use these, and I got like 6 different rolls of it, and they are super cute if you could get it to work, that is. Anyway, that was a story. And there is another rub-on right there. But I did get them off of, like I said, Amazon. Here's another roll that I was messing with. And I did finally get some off, but now I'm going to have to glue them on. But, yeah, just so you know, if you see these little stamps on Amazon and you think you want them, they might be a little hassle. Just so you have a little heads up. And here is another little printable document, and this is just clipped on and it opens. There. And over here is a Tim Holtz little tuck spot thingy. And I just added this sticker, and this is the cutest little card right here. I got it from Jennifer. I just love this. It's so cute. I didn't want to sew it down or anything, so I just tucked it in there. And a couple little cards there. Another sticker, some more ruffle. Here we have a little tuck spot right here with a little card, journaling card. And this is made out of an envelope, part of an envelope. And here is a little, I don't know where I got this, but then there's 2 of these little tags here. And I just tuck those in there. That there, and then flip it over, and we have inside this envelope one of these time card things, and I just stapled this onto it, and a sticker there, and this opens, and there is a little booklet inside here, and then that just flips up, and put that back in there like that. And here is an envelope. This is just some extra coffee dyed paper, another rub-on, and an envelope that I coffee dyed and embossed on. I got it upside down. But I still like it, so I'm still going to use it. And it's tucked that on there like so. Like that. The other part of the music paper, another little image out of the book with a cardstock and a Tim Holtz little saying. And another one of those little tabbies, and that's just holding this closed. Another one right here. It's just for looks. This is a cute little card that I got from Miss Bonnie, and I added the sticker, and this is out of the kit, and I sewed some of the vintage school paper on the back. And the other part of the map. Another paper ruffle, and then these 2. This one is Tsunami Rose, and I just sewed some of these onto the back, or onto the top of this one. And that's just a file folder tag, coffee dyed. And over here, can't be glued in there. I didn't glue it. I sewed this. I wonder why that got stuck in there. Let's try that again. Huh, I don't know. But I sewed around this one, put coffee dyed paper on the back and a little tabby on the top. Sewed around this out of the kit, and this is Tsunami Rose. Little file folder. And the other book page, and here is another envelope that was gifted to me. I don't know who made this. I can't remember where I got it, but I love it. So cute. And this is the other side. Decoupage napkin on it. And inside, here is some little Easter bunny tags that can be used in this book or somewhere else. But I just left those tucked in there and clipped this onto here. It's pretty. I really like that, and I thought it kind of went with this little page scenery here. Some more wallpaper. I don't know why I tuck it under there, but I do. And some more ruffle, little fussy cut flower. A little tag that I made. And it just tucks in there. This is a printable, and I can't remember whose printable. I'm so sorry. But this also flips out. You can either tuck behind on this side or on this side. And I decided I wanted it to be on this side, like that. Oops. And this, I just stapled. Oops. I just stapled it in there loosely. Like that. So that way it will show outside the book. I think it's cute. And over here is the back side pocket, and this was also gifted to me, but I just sewed around it, sewed this on top, and put coffee dyed paper on the back. And here is one that I made. And that's another cute little sticker. And that is this cute little journal. And I just wanted to share her with you. She is available. And yeah, I can get her shipped out as soon as next week for you. If you are interested, please PM me. I will leave my Facebook page link below and my Bloomin' Sticks. And if you'd like to run on over to Bloomin' Sticks Creations on Facebook, that is the page where I post a lot of different things. It's my page, and I post things, not even, just journals. I post a lot of different things on there that I've done and created. And yeah, I would love it if you'd come and check it out. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please subscribe and like this video. Get me out there in the world of YouTube a little bit better. I know I don't make as many videos, but I try to keep up. I love every one of you, and I hope you have a wonderful, safe day. Bye-bye.